She sits in my seat.
He's getting kind of excited. Scared excited. Not happy excited. Just keep smiling.
All the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming.
Coco. Hello, Coco.
Healthiest dog, please report to ring number 1.
I'm Savannah Walker, and this is my dog Maggie. She used to work for the state, and she was tracking a hunter down. When she did, the hunter turned around and shot her in the head, and it's right there on top of her head, like right there. And after they fixed her head, they laid her down, and then the owner was scared that would happen again, and so the owner just gave her to us, and when we had her, she smelled like a dead skunk. But anyways, she worked for the state.
And what kind of things do you do to take care of Mr. Utley? Walk him, feed him?
Yeah, sometimes we let him sleep on my bed.
Oh.
Play in the backyard.
Next up is ring number 2.
She just the perfect size and everything.
No, it didn't say that. I thought he said that, but apparently not.
We got you another entry. It's right here.
Hi, my name is Angel Ray, and this is Teddy Bear Griffin, and we decided to dress up as Kate and Prince William, cause it had the wedding before the dog show, so we decided to dress him up like William and me as Kate. And he has all of these little medals on, like Prince William, and we got him from the animal shelter over there. He was on the death row, and we decided to get him because I did not want him to die, and he was really, really cute and fluffy.
Best costume for grades 5 through 9 goes to the Teddy Bear and Angel Ray.